Today we received more exclusive confirmations for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, including some unfavorable information concerning the port, and I still have a lot more to say about the whole iPhone 15 series. The first article of the day, which comes before we discuss the iPhone 15 Pro Max, provides more evidence that the iPhone 16 series will be getting an upgrade to a 6.3 and a 6.9-inch display. This will be the first such upgrade in a very long time. In addition, we also know that Apple will be mass manufacturing their own displays for next iPhones, reducing their dependency on Samsung displays. This information comes to us via Nikkei Asia. Now that Apple is making micro LED displays instead of OLED ones for the iPhones, we will get more brightness, lower power consumption, and a higher contrast ratio than with an OLED. However, this also means that we won't be seeing OLED displays on the iPhones. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will have more rounded corners than its predecessor, which is confirmed, although it may not be as curved as we initially believed. Its border is just very slightly softened, and I anticipate that this will preserve the iPhone's square appearance while improving its ergonomics. The European Union has voiced concerns and created new regulations to combat it, but they won't be in effect just yet, so they won't stop the Made for iPhone certification for the iPhone 15 series. The iPhone 15 series will switch to USB Type-C, but it will also include the Made for iPhone certification that is required to operate at full speed. The unified volume rocker and solid-state buttons are clearly no longer in use, but an action button will take the place of the mute switch. Leaker Unknowns 21 tweeted to inform us that the ultra-wide and telephoto are swapping positions and that this is due to the need for more internal space for the 6x the periscope zoom camera. As a result, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the only model with a telephoto camera, and the iPhone 15 Pro will not be getting a periscope camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.